Scoot over, Lynda. Come closer.
Push.
Aww. Okay, ready? Y'all awkward.
I know.
Can I turn to the side? Other side. Now the back. Don't come closer though. And put your head back like this.
Oh my.
Oh wait.
Why are we all down ways?
Put it back. Put it back.
I'm trying.
Scoot closer, cause ain't nobody see you. There you go. Okay.
What's wrong with your neck? Is it broken, sister?
Okay, now we're gonna do one by one. So one stand right there.
Alright, what's up everybody? It's your girl Janelle. I'm the big sister of these two little girls, and the one that I'm doing, her name is Nalani, and the other one who is dancing all up in the background, her name is Lynda. So today I decided that we would all do a slick bun because we all have different textured hair, and I would show y'all what I would be doing. And for this part, Nalani is going to end up explaining what I've done to her hair so that she can learn herself, because she has trouble doing her hair sometimes and she always thinks it comes out better when I do it. So I figured I'll do it this time, you'll watch and you'll describe what I was doing. So I'm going to let her do the talking, and I'm going to put some clips of what I used, and yeah, let's see how well she does. Also, I just wanted to mention the difference between all of our textures. So Nalani, currently the one that I'm doing, she has a 3C4A texture, more of a 4A texture. She has beautiful coils and tight curls. I love them. And currently her hair is in a heat damaged state, but she has a lot of new growth. So we're working on that, definitely trying to take care of it more, and trying to teach her how to do her hair properly so that we can ensure healthy growth and keep it going, because she doesn't want to cut her hair right now. So we're just gonna do the transitioning, and now I'm gonna let her talk.
Hey guys, it's Nalani. So right here, Jenelle is basically taking out the bottom half of my twist and putting it into a back low bun for a protective style. And she is laying it down with the denim brush and the comb to make it stay slick. Right here, Janelle is doing my edges with the toothbrush, brush, and the comb to make it lay down because you know our edges gotta be on fleek and all that. So she's slicking it down using the gel, the brush, and the toothbrush, and that's all we gotta do, and you're finished.
Hey guys, so it's your girl Lynda, and now I'm going to be taking out my braids. I just detangled my hair, and I'm going to be parting my hair to the side and then slicking it down to my ponytail. So right now I'm just trying to untangle it and start it, and I'm starting to part a little deep into my head and then I'm going to be brushing it to the side to slick it down, and this took a long process, so I'm going to be brushing and keep on brushing, and then use a black ponytail and the water bottle to slick it down more and keep it in place. So that's what I've been doing.
Lynda has loose curls, and her hair type would definitely probably be just the 3C, and her hair is a lot more finer than ours, so it sleeks really nice. We have a lot more waves in our hair, so yeah.
Okay, now so I braided it down just to like I braided it down just to keep it in place and put another rubber band in so it'll be a little tighter on my head and comfortable for me. And so now I unbraided my hair and fluffed it out a little and detangled it a little more, slicked it down a little more, used my little baby hair brush, and did my edges. Period. And we're done, babies.
Y'all already know when I do my little sleek styles, I got to start in sections. So basically I'm just gonna be untwisting my hair, and it's already moisturized and detangled with the leave-in cream, but as you'll notice throughout the video, the combo that I used was terrible and it left like white residue in my hair, which is why there's a whole bunch of white little particles in my hair, I guess. It's a leave-in conditioner and it didn't mix well with the Eco, so I was gonna wash out my ponytail the next day, but yeah. I was able to smooth it down on the sleek part, but it's still in my bun. So anyway, I took the Denman brush and I brushed the roots of my twist basically, and then I go in and add some Eco Styling gel, and then I take the Denman brush, detangle it a little bit more, and go in with my hard bristle brush and just brush it in. And the key to the style really is smoothing my hair with my hands. That works the best in terms of keeping it laid. So yeah. experience right now. I'm a little tired. I'm a little exhausted, but you know, I just wanted to close out the video and thank you guys for watching so much. I really do appreciate it. Every single one of you guys are awesome and beautiful, and I just want y'all to know, like, life is short, so just enjoy it. And if you have any grudges against anything, let it go, because it ain't worth it. So it's definitely not worth the people you love, you know, because anything can happen in the blink of an eye. And yeah, that's just me in my feelings. My cycle should be starting, but I'm not gonna entirely blame it on that. I'm just super emotional and in tune to people's lives, and I cherish it greatly, and I want everybody to succeed. I want myself to succeed, and it's a struggle trying to figure out what to do, especially like with college being right in front of me with so many opportunities that I have yet to even grab. I haven't opened myself to all those activities and clubs, and I've just closed myself because for some reason I don't like people, but I do. I don't know how to explain that, but yeah, that's so off topic of this video. But yeah, as y'all can see today, honey, what is we wear? Okay, it's a little ball right here. Not, you know, supposed to be like that, but whatever. I'm still late, okay? Period. Bun. I love that I was able to do this video with my sisters, and we were all so like in tune as well, had fun making the video. So if you guys want to see more styles, different styles, the same thing, let me know down below in the comments, and I'll be sure to keep that into consideration. Yeah, y'all have a blessed day, a blessed night, and I'll see y'all again in my next video. Or y'all will see me. I always say see y'all, but y'all will see me. See y'all in the comments, okay?